Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 10 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. So, as of now, in the playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis, we have covered these topics. So, today is going to be the last video on single candlestick, where we would have covered every single candlestick, how to understand them, and what information to extract from it. So, we have already spoken about Marubozu, Doji, Hanging Man, Hammer, Spinning Top, and today we're going to be talking about Shooting Star. So, Shooting Star is a trend reversal pattern. So, let's look at this candle, how it looks, what information it provides, and then we look at it on charts. So, what you see on your screen right now is a shooting star. This is how a shooting star looks. It can be of either color. If the trend is upwards and you see this candle forming at the top of the trend, there are high chances there might be a reversal in the trend and the prices start falling down from there. So basically what has happened in this candle is the prices were driven up but they came down, right? So buyers tried to buy, sellers pushed it down. They could push it till these levels, still the buyers were in some sort of control, but seller pressure came in. Here if you see, the open is here. The buyers try to push it up, the sellers pushed it below the open and made it close to the lower levels. So a red color shooting star for me is more prominent. So when I see this, I know what kind of trades to be taken. So this is a chart where I want to show you how a shooting star occurs. If you see this candle here, this is a shooting star. If you see the prior trend, the trend was upwards. If you see this candle here, that is Hanging Man, which we spoke about in the last video. And from there the prices came down. This was a hammer, which we spoke again about in the last video. The prices went up and now we spoke about shooting star. This is a shooting star where there is a selling pressure. So see what happened on the chart. The prices were driven down. So the prior trend was upwards, there was a shooting star, and then the prices were driven down. So even in this chart, we can see three different shooting stars. So if you look at these three candles here, right? 1, 2, 3. All three of them are shooting stars, right? See what happened after that. The prices started falling drastically from there. So I hope you guys have understood what shooting star is. So the prior trend has to be upwards. If you see a shooting star, there is a high probability that the prices from there will start falling. So today we have completed all single candlestick patterns. If you have missed out on anything, make sure you watch them to get full understanding. Every candlestick gives you an information, a data that you need to extract and understand what is happening and what are the different trades that are possible based on that candle. Just looking at candlestick is not enough. There are a lot of other factors that we need to look at. So as we keep going ahead in our journey, I'll be talking about more and more detailed things which you need to look at. Only candlestick is for the basic understanding. There are a lot of other factors which will help you become a better trader. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish and don't miss out on any videos. Mainly because I'm trying to make it in a chain format where every video is interrelated. In the long run, if you understand all of the videos together and you put it in a framework, you will be able to take better trades and understand the different psychology that goes on in trading. Make sure you share this video with people who require it. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That will motivate me to make more videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching my videos.